Mbia mono sana mwancho muri kanda gotengera Ndizi TV egetase nambe ya mukuru wa sorgongo rwa Gusii na rero iga tiangwariga ni bena somuroberi bwe chigoso libuna butambe okolentwa na inche ndemo Steven Captain 001 otebi amange igoro ye chigosori abanchi be chigosori chisavali chiavo wekase baikire boniga asene rengete ogosirwa bwe chigosori ase chinsemo aona rero iga koche masemo ekine chinsemo na etaniri nyakoe na etaniri musocho ninte bigoronga iga sande nkai na ikereire omwaka wa mukuru enseme wante chigosori sana naturera mange igoro yaye nkuru nsemo kiyetule asobo ime asama na rengete chigosori go bia mono sana ndoche compound yere smart sana
na very
yeah,
this home.
Okay. Kuna gente kia sana kunde timanyase valipatori gereti. Aigabona na kia wika iga nkaitori.
Aiga turbo Gusii Riverside. Yeah.
Gusii Riverside.
Yeah.
Kitutu Chache South.
Chache South.
No ibolire no kinerete.
Yeah, no ibolire Kitutu Chache. Batrende Kisii and Nyamira. Batrende, you have to move away to give room.
Yeah.
So as a man, you have to move away from the one on Kachankabera.
How long you have
I've been here for like 5-6 years.
Okay. That's a long period.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kuna gente kia sana timanya nimete Gusii Award kulende ekenkanyoro kitole boronge.
Nga motontera.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gente kia sana iganya mono gotobwate togocha kurenga nyega bata kwantike ko motontera chinseme chia Gusii Award na tevia mange igoro yaye na rumuro beri wecho soli Facebook otunyara gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube Ndizi TV News website www.ndizitv.net konde bali bakora litanga ni pina bagotebi ile tali awa ayeningo ondake
njaguru Bethuel Mose Gusii. Sometimes they might not even contribute abantu ko maiko.
By the mainango muchanganya lile.
Yeah, I just a typical Kisii.
Okay.
Yeah, I was born here in Kitutu Chache and I was born and bred in Kisii here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kuna gente kia sana kuna timanyanda ke abono nje ke bona yanda ke tatote avanda ke wante ki also lese kirogo kina. Did you see sports chikova Gusii iga more commonly?
Actually, Kitutu Kinete is not like now. We used to have sports, but they were not kind of monta the way they cover monta right now. Because during our time, just for the engineering cover, no in the school or they so make it have. But nowadays, the sports are already paying because you see some people in, let's say in England, they are paying a lot of money. Yeah, so I decided Jack Konacha some kind of sports for the young people, but because you can be a sportsman, but if you are not given a forum, you cannot be able to be seen. Yeah.
Ndake nemete kugukina iga team nechinge chiroro chavo sportif njibate mugano mutamba ke igo shabana lengo remya kelime korobando enka kia motego. That should be 80s 90s.
Some 80s to around the 90s 93 there. That's when it used to be very kia kadogo.
Okay, dogo kan.
Yeah.
Ndake mainaye ese skuru kioso merete na mabaki areko whether sports go say
na somete Nyabururu, nasoma Kiombeta, and then I went to Sameta High School, Ngajokora Nyambari High School.
Yeah. Thank you mwako it was Kenya 1.
I really felt so nice. I like to achieve this Nyambari High School.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kenya 1.
Yeah. But right now, okay. I hope it will be the same.
God is there.
Yeah.
It can be possible.
Yeah.
You don't work all the school. Just that you went to the university. In terms of running of sports, in the primary school, it's a bit very exposed mono. But the sports for the tertiary institution, primary and secondary school. Yeah,
mostly when I went to Sameta High School, that's where I saw I good to nurture talents, because most of the people there who used to be in sports right now they're in big sport, in the national, and even when I was in college, I actually went to Kemos Teachers Training College. So even there I saw the way, the institution, they encourage people to do sports. And then when I came out, even when I went, I'm the US, so when I went there, I So how those guys, they're making the young people to nurture the talents because they're paying, it's not like our time. Yeah, because you see some people are paid a lot of money per hour. So if I came here, I do the same. I don't have any timbu at the moment to support. I just from my own pocket to support the talents. So at least you see,
Onje murido yuma ina otevia mange igoro ya ere kwancha chiko sore bana kaende gusuka gochibosi orede chiko sore mbia chiko kolichinse chaisi kono otevire gusia igaro ningi tutahatemera maje matoma kwandere somuro bina otevia mange plan kiabwate gocha abantu babo gusero abantu banya kwa Kitutu Chache South nere ko randa ko vekiroko voko samana ito gusira chiko sore kurwaiga asoro gorwa Gusii konyara ko rogosuka bosi korende timanya ayevuna maina of course kwa vire skuru there is freedom to join a society, a club, timanya yenkwa ndo demo chando nde kwensi kwewata na gosoli ndio sivuna an active player.
Mostly the only one I used to like is hockey, but because of that kind of roughness I could not go. But then for me I like football. Yeah, that's why I'm after nurturing this kind of sport. Yeah.
I understand World Cup here era wango igati media World Cup team kikwali wote being that Kenya was not there. Brazil. Yeah. Lakini rende mugatenga sana omweli oye mugasoki wisiko.
Unajua a sportsman we call mtu asikubali kushindwa. Simushindane. So we ukubali.
Of course that's World Cup country. Let's go to English Premier League. Etemia weneri.
Inter Milan.
That's Italy.
Mostly I don't watch the English Premier League.
Okay.
Kind of busy. Mostly I like watching the American because I see them most of the time.
Your favorite timeline yao?
Yeah, because most of the time when they are playing, they are sleeping. So that's how I'm going to go feature those ones in the US.
Okay, that's something good. And then I want to Gusii iga. The time that we watched America, we didn't have Gusii being so much on football because that time Shabana was not in the Premier League. We didn't have a team in the National Super League. In a space in the past 3 years, we've seen the team ya Shabana FC, ya Soire Uchase Premier League, the team ya Gusii FC, Kuroige Buga Kitutu Chache South, currently playing in the second tier, the National Super League. Then the team chingi sana chiakini kwa Gusii iga. With many teams in Division 2, Division 1, the regional league, the county leagues. Manyangi kiriora tebe ya awakening ya veire ase chiko soliti ya Gusii mwana mwane nkoyo sama tukawango iga.
Actually, because people have been because of the social media, you see most people, we want at least our people to cover like other countries. You see, it's clearly most of the I see it's out to this guy from who used to be in Harambee Stars, Oriech. You see how they were being paid. Most of those people, most of the young stars, they are looking upon those guys. So from there, now we have seen the sports are paying. So that's why we have come back to the society to help the young people, because nowadays it's very expensive to do the sports registration, everything. So that's why I offered myself to help a few people. At least you can, now when they are playing, you can see some few people you can choose and help them. Maybe you can even bring some people from the Super Leagues to come and choose some few players. At least you now went up where a forum. So that's a forum I'm giving some few individuals.
It's more of all create a platform. It's a good platform.
Yeah. But I'm appealing to the, let's say, the governor. I could waive those kind of fees because it's very expensive for anybody to put. So that anybody, let's say, Mopira, because right now when the Koreches is a lot of money, it's over 10,000. So some other people maybe you will not be able to register, and there's other hidden charges. So now we are in government to reduce the charges in the Actually, I'm intending to do everywhere in the whole of, it's not only the let's say Nyakoe ward or whatever. I'm intending to do the whole of Kitutu Chache.
oyuma ina tebna na wate plan yokone kibune byewe binge byarore kandire imebonge ya Kitutu Chache South korabuna mabaga bere bya kwende kyago salamono sana wate serikali onamono serikali ya county ya serikali enene ekyombegia Football Kenya Federation kobeke merobeli vene iranyale ko bakeko kyanania ama nalengete enivo ye team konyara ko bachikoreje stars chiligi gwakana chire fali kugura chi uniform kora kijira cha vene kiraleta abwatani abara konye gosira chigosori mwancho magere ndende kwemanya mange igoro yo murobeli bwe chigosori koru enseme ya Bogusero ward tokando mutima ko mokego tokoirana twendere kwemanya mange koru chinseme cha Bogusero Kitutu Chache South.
Kila mmoja anayependeza baada ya huduma ya kunyolewa na kufanyiwa massage katika Palamax Executive Spa and Baba atakueleza kuwa huduma hizo ni za viwango vya juu kwa bei nzuri tu. Wana huduma kama vile kunyolewa mitindo mbalimbali utakavyohitaji, kufanyiwa massage, steam bath, bed cure, manicure, hair coloring, waxing, facial, body scrub na zingine nyingi. Watembelee mjini Kisii katika jengo la Kwanza Plaza, orofa ya pili, barabara ya Kisii Migori Highway. Unaweza pia kuwapigia simu kwa 0709747681. Palamax Executive Spa and Baba.
Mbaya mono mwanchomo yetu ende kwemanya mange koru enseme ya Bogusero na unorocha na mastemi ye mbura kolende na anjite chigosori maina njiringite chigosori omwaki nde timu yane ya Kisii Media FC ige mbura na maseseni ainenga ena mazoezi tole kwemanya mange kwane kwemanyiria mange ali arengete chigosori twende usanganere maina watebia mangarengete chigosori na ngoika gote abuna torenda somo timoko no wate plan timanya this we are December togosoa timanya e plan yo bwate yo gusira chigosori nereri ese December as of now.
No, actually, you won't get a combe. As I was supposed to go a combe as the whole of the constituency. And I ended the member of parliament, Obekire. You know,
okay, yeah, CDF.
Yeah, CDF. Yeah. So I don't want to. Okay.
Have more diversion of the
this November. One of the Kanyara team, one of the Chiasa, the Nyakoi ward. One of team to work on Sunday, Kanunda, Kyoge, Nakiore, and Kyombeta. So those one they wanted to play. Then we get to 1, 2, 3. Then we give them. I think they are and then there's 20,000 for the team, and then they can see how they can divide it.
Nimetanda ninkweli bagalinde ya vene to kwedestra mange igoro ya ege kombe ukurende timu nyakere kwa chagete nimete tag race korane tournament nanye balibande batoligere tiskali. It's not that easy, you know, mondara legere timu naye challenges kigo say what were the deeper dynamics kwa roche kwede kona was so much into the tournament kando na koranda ke you found that you are beginning a tournament, another tournament was running. Other challenges chialengo roke structure this tournament nchirich.
The challenges is see now is exam time and most of the players are doing exam. So when you go and go chess, some have papers, you know. So those are some of the challenges. Another challenges, most of the schools not chess, no kind of money are sick. So we have to look for another option. Another challenge we have, China AVT. But we don't have a Mbawa ticket, but Marava is not. So I was appealing to the governor, even the area MC, even the member of parliament, tokonye asigitikiria so that avana baitu wachia soro rojono we have to pay for us to play unless instead of using our home ground or not even a home ground kile sema use here some other places they have. I'm just appealing because I see bono ensemble ya Kanunda they don't have somewhere to play. On our appeal anywhere we show can help it but atwe usanto tubugaterane tokerosi rinde vijana vinyare kutumika
Matengo era mange wetera such a tournament kwa ne platform wase walivaraga niko scout players they can scout through the tournament and other forums. What do you feel else can be done? Because you are doing whatever you can within your capacity or support which is the biggest scope woroche era konye ilikuwa vyecho solvia sirumono.
Actually tokonyora chi kwende una chi corporate na chi KCP this big whatever they were cheap part of Konya because right now to run a tournament solely is very expensive. It's not easy. Coach uniform, referees, they're paying a lot of money. You at least to learn one you should have almost 150,000.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so no to go award everything. Sometimes they make injuries, so it's expensive. If you get other people, you know, Barclays Bank or they can help us. Even the government, even the county governments can chip in. Not necessarily those corporates.
Kumate ngwate binanda ke vinge video koraboniga video ro chanda ke vira konya chosoli chaito. You've been abroad. What are the other things ba koratimanya in the running of sports abroad? What are some lessons to require already as the running your sports? Maybe football.
Most learners of sports, you know, for example, in America, as a parent, you're supposed to be, let's say, we have handball. When you handball go chesa, when you go chesa mambi, you go to the pitch to encourage. You tell you seita, we only encourage book work, and nowadays see everybody's learning. So
whatever. Mwana ka wate gosoli akogosoli mambi umubuli gusabali bakikasi
it's a must.
Okay,
otherwise mwana machane gosore you will be in for that.
Wow.
Yeah,
mwancho muligereri bejo se munya aleke umuwato mwana anyabanda sports na school team tuli kogenda gazi une elivu ere mandatory e ofu go sava kindigo sikirabe nale ko bago komosira. Is it working to motivate those young players?
Yeah, most people they are doing like a basketball, they really playing good. Yeah,
kurende ni maite kwa kwanda the corporate store wata Kenya iga I don't know, let's say in abroad chi corporate chirocho ngosifuka chire rise for support sports.
Yeah, like let's say we have like West Fargo's, US Bank. Yeah, most of them they help a lot because you marketing whenever they have you know, when we're to Mopira, they put their banners over there, so they are marketing them too.
Let's say in abroad, in England, in Italy, in Europe, in the States, corporate will support team. They have packaged their product. You want to know information about team when they have an active page. You can know this player, statistics, what are their numbers, a prospective sponsor when you're information you think to our clubs locally. Are you connected without they brand themselves and their social media engagements?
Actually, I think that one should be the work of the Minister for Sports in the county. I think he should be talked to, so he's the one who should encourage the corporates to come on board and help the teams, because it's not easy for anybody to go. It's going to be hard. So if we are able to reach the ministers for, let's say, the local government, they can help for us. So we can cooperate.
That's the sports ko appreciate sana say cover a unifying factor or how much Shabana Eco United even in the States, those who are allied maybe to the Gusii region, they really want to have that jersey of Shabana, even wherever they are, it gives them a sense of belonging. The current Shabana we have, it's in the Premier League. They are very struggle the first part of it. I know you've seen. What do you feel for Shabana?
I was feeling that if you can have a kit that those people like football, we can donate to Shabana, so that at least Tony uplift, because the way like nowadays everybody want to wear the chas. So everybody at least Tony orange la talk about Shabana to uplift it, so that to motivate other young people, but you on a team ready, because right now soccer pays.
Ndanda kese Harambee Stars our football namaite we are from a ban FIFA kunyore ya ban ili Kenya singencho the government kunyore ya chakira kovage go interfere as running ya football, whereas with FKF with the likes of Nick Mwendwa egakora FIFA ega ban Kenya who didn't participate in many competitions mbono to iranire na ngoroche moisonde nto ikora Seychelles tigo chinyinge that was 5-0 temanya. What do you feel, what should government do to our sports na te overstep mono ili ndeto veka sabe with maybe the football partners?
I think the let's say the minister for
Ababu Namwamba
should step the way they did. These people, the players should be paid, or should be rewarded handsomely, So now, but allow for public some kind of rules, so that we can there's this kind of, is it, they call doping or what?
Yeah, doping.
Yeah, before the strict rules, they should be paid handsomely, so for them to be, to reach the standard they went over, with the international.
This year toleiga successfully ngokora tole tournament wacha geteni na kopage we komweli players will be scouted, teams will be given awards, but timanya what next for next year in your plan as anamana sports now next year?
Actually, I'm planning every year. I'm planning every year to put every year when they have let's say holiday. Actually, this kind of was to make the young Turks from boredom and to engage in other bad, things. So that's why I'm navigating, and I'm planning to do every year,
annually,
every year. Yeah.
But all the best. Once we are tournament nekere kunyara kovagi go cover sanene go cover chiti muchinyinge ibiye kwa bichieto ororo a lot of awards to the teams. Now I pray that in the coming editions you will have more partners, so that now it becomes bigger and better.
Yeah, just I'm praying anybody who can help me, because at least to help come on board and help, so we can award those guys whenever they have done well.
Lastly, of course, we are currently changing from 844 to a new system where competency based. It's a new system. Na batevira sana nena wakonye vye wosireka ibiribya rakante ko suppressed mono wetira 844 dalenge exam based mono. What do you feel the ministry can do to tap more talents through the CBC?
I think they should increase more teachers in co-curricular activities. Yeah, like a PE. Yeah, and then make it like a mandatory in the sports. Actually, it helps in the body everywhere. That's why mostly we don't have obesity in Africa. Yeah. So if we do that as a mandatory, then everything will be okay.
Mwalimu wole wasiro what the background yo walimu, and there's a young kid watching you ali to tomosa ukulira livoniga and akwantite chigosori timaiti advice kyo bwate wochase omosa ukulira livoniga okorire kamereri
into agoteba as much as sorry you need to kusoma ili buyeka what it's a full package. So what I can advise Abasai mokromokia and more engage in the sports through mokia, because if you have education with sports, you can go far. Yeah.
Your parting shot?
I've just gone overboard. I'm helping the orphans. I've got a number of schools, and I'm planning to go to every school, helping the needy. Like we have the vulnerable, the orphans. Right now, Narate Mirko Sunachin for more than 32, and I'm hoping I have a talent of Sunachin for 1,000 for every school go and have never. But I'm planning kuchaka bana 10. That's from our own pocket. Tindanyo reni donor. Maybe we get one. You can tell me.
Maina konte igari a philanthropist na wata marara matambe ko chivosio yo konya abantu na gukora kiliara kore konya sikinyoro andake na tukumanaria mayasa matukale na kuna Ndizi TV. We appreciate the time you have had with us. Butos tega senka yao it is smart. We appreciate so much. Looking forward to be back again.
Thank you very much.
Bia mono sana ane kainevuna maina to avere to sanganere korwase enseme ya bogusero ward oteviria mange gorie chigosori keria somiri ko ruchinse chaisiko keri instu norongora usitora akore gosuka bosia samana ngite chigosori nonyora buna yonsi ko yorense ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube Ndizi TV News ensemo ya website www.ndizitv.net konkerencha buna ndemo Steven ensemo ya Facebook onkere wetera ndemo Steven Captain 001 ensemo eli ya TikTok nikere wetera ndemo JR live twendere kwemanyia mange ewikere bosio ningoretera umugano bwa omwanchi bwechigosori chinde gose gosori engao gose club ekengao onenda otengera Ndizi TV aiga no bwansu bo Gusii.